Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan heavy cream. You will need a few simple ingredients to begin this delicious process. Start with 1 cup of raw, unsalted cashews, soaked for at least 4 hours or boiled for 10 minutes. This step ensures a wonderfully smooth texture, essential for a luxurious cream. Additionally, prepare 1/2 cup of fresh filtered water, a neutral oil, and a touch of acid. Now, drain your prepared cashews and place them into a powerful blender. Add 1/2 cup of fresh filtered water and 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to balance the flavor. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, like canola or sunflower oil, for that authentic richness. Blend on high for about 2 minutes until absolutely no grittiness remains. To achieve that perfect, thick consistency, add a thickening agent to your blend. We recommend 1 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch, dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water, creating a slurry. Pour this mixture into the blender with your cashew base. Blend for an additional 30 seconds, ensuring the thickener is fully incorporated, preparing it for a gentle cook. Pour your blended cream into a small saucepan and place it over medium-low heat. Stir continuously with a whisk for about 5 to 7 minutes. You will notice the mixture thickening significantly as it heats, transforming into a rich, pourable cream. Remove it from the heat once it coats the back of a spoon, indicating it has reached the ideal heavy cream consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.